Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Manu Sharma. Today we all are here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Today is very special day for all of us where we can pay hearty tribute to our teachers who are believed to be the second parent of our career. Our teachers are very kind and helpful. They inspire us, they motivate us. We should feel thankful for our teachers who never consider us less than their own child. Thank you, teachers, for being with us as we grow, and we definitely make you proud in coming year. I love my all teachers and I love you all. Thank you.